Hi, today's Tuesday, August the 25th, and our assignment will be Life Skill Reader, Trip to the Zoo, page 88 through 93. So if you want to get out your worksheets, you should have the story also. If not, you can follow along with me. Trip to the Zoo, 1. The zoo is a fun place to visit. At the zoo, you can watch and learn about different animals. Polar bears live near the North Pole. Thick fur keeps them warm when it's cold outside. Polar bears have big, sharp claws. Flamingos are pink birds with long legs. They eat tiny plants that grow in the water, plus insects and small fish. The biggest cat in the world is a tiger. Tiger hunts other animals for food. Their fur is black and brown stripes. The petting zoo is a special area where you can touch and feed the animals. Zoos also feature water mammals like seals and animals from other continents like African zebras. Large animals like bears are exciting to see in the zoo. It is fun to spend a day at the zoo. Zoos have many different animals from around the world that you cannot see every day. So, here are your 5 questions that you need to answer. Circle your answer. If you can upload it to Teams, upload it to Teams. And if you don't know how, just take a picture when you're done, send it to me, and I will upload it for you. If you have any questions, please call me and I will help you. So I'll leave it up for a few more seconds so you can go ahead and look for it through your worksheet. Thank you.